Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. We are in week 7 already. I want to talk to you about your work this week, but I also want to reassure you that you can make up work if you're missing any. It will be for partial credit, but in the end it will help. You can also revise your essays for extra points, and those will all be under extra credit help. So please make sure that you are taking opportunities to make up work. I know it's a weird time. I'm here to help. So please reach out to me if you need my help, but this is what's happening for week 7. So when we have this Tom Sawyer quiz, you need to have completed chapters 12, 15, 17, 20, 23, and 33. Part to complete is the Tom Sawyer discussion board. And then this is the group assignment. So you'll be working with your group. You can shoot out an email to know what time would work, maybe, when you're doing children's literature. So you take this and you copy and paste it and put it in the search engine. And let's say your group has children's literature. Maybe you could split it where one group member does the 100 question and the other does the 500. What will happen is the group will get those points. If there is an issue or you want to make sure that you get credit, you simply tell me I did the 500 question. But it's just so that you can work together and kind of review this process. During my office hours on Monday, I can talk about any of those things. Feel free to come see me. And then we have a character eulogy, and I just ask for you to choose a character and write a brief eulogy, 1 to 3 paragraphs. So I hope it's not too labor intensive this week. Know that we do have a midterm next week. That's why we are doing the group Jeopardy assignment and review so that you will be ready for your midterm next week. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great week.